Good morning. Welcome back to Farming in Thailand with Mon and Ray. So, the last near on a week now, it's been fairly dry. The rain seems to be coming to an end. So, we are now able to move on pretty fast on the land, and it's looking pretty good for the growing season. So, follow me. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, the like button, and the notification buttons so that you don't miss any of our episodes. And if you would like, leave a comment. It all helps the algorithms and it helps promote the channel. It's completely free, so don't be worried. So let's go and have a look. Our little nursery area on the bamboo house, which made a little extension and put all the tables, is coming on nice. Here we have all the cucumbers coming up. They will be going in, I think, at the end of this week when they're a little bit stronger. Tomatoes starting to come through. Green beans again getting stronger, nearly ready to go into the land as well. Then over here we have the Luffa. Again, I think the green beans, cucumber and Luffa will be planted later part of this week. And then this one we've got gourd, which is not coming through yet. No signs of any of this. Over here on these trays, mixture of papayas starting to come up. I've only been in a few days, so nothing special. Mon is also doing some cuttings on the rose bushes. So we've got some rose bushes starting to come. She's also set up back at the house in front of the shop. She's selling rose bushes as well. So she's pretty busy. She's got the shop with the clothes, the shoes and the handbags. Then she's got the chicken eggs, and now she's got the rose bushes. Tomatoes doing good. Chilies are coming up. Aubergines pretty slow, but they're starting to come through, and some more tomatoes. So the nursery side of things is looking nice, and we will have a lot more produce this year. So not only that, we shall grow some plants as well that Mon will sell. So that's another little revenue for the family. Then over this area, we've turned over some more compost into the beds. Just needs breaking down a little bit, and then that'll be ready for the planting. And again, this row, again added some more compost, break it all down, and that'll be ready. This long bean area still needs tidying up and sorting the soil. This one is nearly ready to go. The final row, yeah, that's all been mixed and cleaned and de-weeded. That's ready. And then the 4 rows that we turned over, we've cleaned 2. Got 2 more to clean. So it's all coming on pretty fast now. And then over here at the loofah frame, still need to dig the little trenches for the plants, but as you can see, hopefully the string is starting to be put up for it all to climb. So that's coming on as well. I'd like to think end of today it'll all be tidied up on the floor, and then we'll start digging the trenches and finishing the string lines for the climbing. So that's all pretty good. Our little bananas Mon took the flower off yesterday as it wasn't gonna make any more bunches of bananas, and they're looking good. A little bit of blue net still to take out. It's overgrown and full of soil, so it's quite hard to take out, which is slow progress. But hopefully again, next couple of days we'll get that out. And then, as you can see around the bank, we're slowly trimming it back down. Again, a little more progress today on tidying up all the bank area. It is slow progress because there's all fishing wire that needs to be cut out, so not to get caught up in the strimmer. But again, it's moving forward. We'll use a big metal blade to do the initial cut, and then the more delicate side of things, we'll get the strimmer with a plastic wire on it just to tidy up the edges. So that's where we are, always moving forward. So keep watching and follow this week's progress. We had a good day yesterday. Just quick look around here. Cucumbers doing brilliant. Tomatoes are all coming up. Long beans good. Gourd, there's little signs of gourd coming through, so hopefully next few days. Luffa, 2 types, doing very well. Papaya starting to come up as well. Little shoots coming around all over. So a few more days we'll be able to see them better. So vegetables and spices are still maturing nicely. Tomatoes down the bottom there. A few aubergines, not too much, so keep an eye on them. Chilies, great, and tomatoes, great. So moving over to the vegetable garden itself. Still need to break the soil down in this row, make it a little bit finer, and in this row. But we've managed to complete this one. It's all ready for potting, all de-weeded, all compost, manure, all mixed. It's looking a little bit dry, but we've had several days now, 3-4 days of no rain, so that's expected. But that's all ready. They're ready for the cucumbers to go in. Then over here, working on the Luffa lines, starting to dig down below. We've managed to, don't know if you can see it, start to get all the string all tied all the way along. The roof is all completed. We're about halfway on the down sections, but obviously we'll finish them once the trenches have all been completed. So that is all moving along nicely as well. Then over on the pond area, we've managed to tackle a little bit more of the edging. Still got that in to do, but it's looking much better, much clearer. And then obviously this front little section here needs to be done, but the net is overgrown with weeds, so it needs to be dug out. And then once done the first attack on it, we'll change the blade to a little plastic string and then do a bit more of a finer detail to make that look nice. So is what we got up to yesterday. We shall show you more as we progress in the week. Okay, we're at the end of this week's video. As you can see, the cucumbers are ready to be planted on the land. Tomatoes coming up nicely. Some aubergine, a new tray of aubergines been planted. The long beans, they will be going in today, and the papayas and the gourd is all slowly taking shape. And then once the green beans have been planted, we shall get the Luffa planted next. I think it'll either be the Luffa or the cucumber. Sorry about that, just thought I saw a caterpillar or something munching on the plants. So I will put up another video tomorrow of the brother's land over there. Yesterday he had the combine on the land harvesting all the rice, so I shall stick that video up tomorrow. As you can see, tomatoes doing great, chilies are doing good, aubergines are still taking their time, and we shall wait and see. And then the last lot of tomatoes. I think we shall repot the tomatoes into a bigger container to get them much healthier before we put them on the land. And then down here, majority of the soil has been turned over. Just the far end, the last 1.5 pots need to be finished off, and we've got the long beans put in yesterday, and they're all looking healthy. None of them have wilted overnight. So that's the first lot, first row completed. As I say, still need to turn over this half and this last container. And then all the planting areas ready for the transition, all been tidied up, all been mixed, manure, compost, etc. So that's ready to go. In the next couple of days we shall have that all planted. And then the Luffa area, starting to dig it. Got 2 more rows to do, one in the middle and one up the far end, which again hopefully get that near on completed tomorrow, and then running the last bit of string around the frame. As you can see, the string here, run that round, ready for them to start climbing. So still lots going on, and again next week is going to be another full-on video of the transformation into the vegetable garden. So once again, thanks for watching. As always, hit the like, hit the subscribe, hit the notification, and leave a comment if you would like to. So see you all again next week, and don't forget, tomorrow there'll be another video coming out for the harvesting of the rice. Bye for now.